Hey, my name's Jeremy. I'm a brand designer from Sydney, Australia. And in this class, I'm going to be showing you how to structure and lay out your carousels. I'm going to show you how to design it from scratch by using imagery, typography, colors, and mixing it all up with shape and form and all these Instagram tips as well. I'm going to show you how to get some ideas and inspiration from certain accounts. I'm also going to show you how to design everything in Illustrator, as well as using Photoshop to cut out images so you can overlay them and overlap certain slides to make it look more appealing. I'm also going to show you how to do a bit of animation, how to critique and actually refine your carousels, and how to make it better and look more appealing based on your brand. And for your class project, what we're going to be doing, all you have to do is create one carousel, and it's going to be based on something you learned in the last 6 months. It could be maybe about a logo design you learned, or a process, or maybe you learned how to read a book, or maybe you learned an idea from someone or one of your friends or something like that. So let's get stuck in the class. It's gonna be super fun, super awesome, and it's gonna help you engage with your audience and help you grow an amazing following. I know for me personally, I've done Instagram carousels and I've grown to over 4K followers in under 6 months, which is super crazy. And I'm sure you can do the same as well. So let's jump in the class and roll today, and I'm keen to see how you guys design your first carousels.